So welcome back to another tutorial, guys. And before jumping right into the video, I want to announce that I have been working as a front-end web developer and would like to post some videos where I would like to show how to make a basic website. Along with that, I will be making another video and will be posting it very soon, informing you guys about really special announcement and really special series of course that is gonna come on this channel. And also I'm planning to launch 30 days of code series for those who are new to coding, and also for the ones who are just new and want to start with some of the basics. So come and join with me with the initiative and give a quick start to your journey of coding along with me. So now that we have learned to initialize Git in the folder, let us move on to learning about Git commit. So yes, in this video we'll be learning about Git commit and why we do commit and some basic commands for doing this Git commit. So yes, in this video, as I said, we are gonna make our very first commit and it's going to be so much exciting. Also, as I mentioned in the last video, we'll be making use of ls and cd commands to check the folders inside the directory as well as to know the current location. So let us check our current location. So let me first open the git bash. So for checking the current location, we have the command called pwd. Okay, so we are in the default location, so we want to move to desktop. So we are doing first of all ls by checking all the folders that we have in this directory. So yes, this one is the default one. So I want to go to, okay, so basically I am over here. Okay, so now we are here. So now we have desktop also over here. Okay, so now we'll move on to desktop and then let me move on to this Hardiki folder, and now let me check my current location. So yes, now you can see it over here. If you could see it, let me clear the whole of the screen and then let you know. So pwd again. So yes, finally we are here in the folder. So now I want to make sure that there is nothing in this folder, so we'll be doing ls again in this folder. So you can see that there is nothing in this folder. So let me also give you guys the manual check by opening it. See, we just have a git folder which was initialized, and that's why we have a git folder over here. But in some of you guys, in some of your systems, you might not see this git folder. So I have explanation for this also in later section of this video itself. So yes, just because I have selected the property which also shows me the private folders, that's why I am able to see the git folder over here, but in some of you guys might not be able to see this git folder. So yes, now coming back to the video. Okay, so now this folder is empty, right? And even though you don't see anything here, like in my case you are able to see, but in some of your systems you might not be able to see here something. So I'm talking about you guys, like even if you don't see anything over there in the folder, but there is some hidden folder also. So to see this hidden folders, what we are gonna do is type, like if you don't have those hidden, like okay, I can give you example over here itself. Like when I just listed down the things, like when I did ls after going to the Hardiki folder, I was not able to see anything. So Git is a private folder, and also you can see the color of the folder. You can see over here it's light, so it's again showing that it's a private folder. Okay, so if we want to see the hidden folders, what we are gonna do is type a command, that is ls space -la, and hit enter. This will show me all the hidden files in the Hardiki folder. When you open up the folder you created, you may not find anything in it. These files are hidden for a reason, and that is because these files handle up pretty much everything, the changes and all. They are meant not to be edited or changed. So even you guys shouldn't change it or edit it. If you guys do so, Git is no longer be able to track the changes and your project will be messed up. I have informed you with all of these things because I have the responsibility to inform you of each and everything, and you must know even the minutest details of Git. Also, I want you to be expert in this topic, so you must know it. Just keep in mind that you are never ever gonna touch this file again. Also, for clearing the screen, we have a simple command called clear, which is used for clearing the screen. Just type in clear and hit enter. Let us start by making a normal doc file in the folder we created. After creating it, let us write something in this file. So let me type in something really basic. I am Hardiki and I love tech. Also, let me put on here some note, that is, this is the first commit. Now let us go ahead and save this in the Hardiki folder, and let us name it as first.doc. Now all the things are set. We downloaded Git to keep track of the changes in the folder. We are now going to do something really important, and that is, let us figure out that very soon. First thing that we'll need to do is that we should tell Git that we have added some new files. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is that we should tell Git that we have added some new files. For this, we have a command called git add. What we are saying is that add all the changes that are made in this folder. The dot here means that the folder or the directory, in our case that is Hardiki named folder. Now Git knows that we made the changes in the folder, and that change is that we created a new doc file inside our folder. Now we need to commit. We are doing this in order for Git to keep track of the changes. What does a commit exactly means is that save all the changes that we have made at this point and time. In simple terms, we are saying that take a snapshot of our project at this point of time. Now you might have a question that why we need or why we want to take the snapshot of the project. So this is because at any point of time, if we mess up with the stuffs, we can come back and start with the snapshot. In case we haven't taken the snapshot, we have to face a really bad thing, that is starting the project again. So let me go ahead and show you guys what this commit is and how we shall do it. We have a special command again for it, and it is git commit -m and quotes. In the quotes we have the message. Also, I would like to make one thing clear over here, is that whatever is there in the quotes after -m is the message. So it can be anything, but you can write like what are the changes you have made. But also make one thing clear, that whatever you write gives you the idea of what you have done. It should give you a clear idea of what you have done in the code, what are the changes you have made, so that in case you want to come back to previous state, you can go for it just by seeing the message. You cannot rely on dates for this, so a detailed message is going to help you in long run. In next tutorial, I shall tell you guys how to come back to older version when you have made changes to the folder. I'm going to tell you guys and explain you everything from basic. What we have learned till now in this video is that by making commit, you are taking a snapshot of the project where in future you can use this if it is a need. So this was a short and sweet explanation of what commit is and why we use it. Now you are in a position to start a project of your own choice, initialize Git in that directory, add the files, and finally commit those changes. You can also make other changes and commit them again. So thank you so much for watching the video, and this is a really important command, so I took a whole video explaining this command in detail. Make sure you master this command and understand it well. See you guys in the next video. If you guys have still many questions, let me know in the comment section and feel free to ask those.